Happy October! This month's ultrasound learning point will cover pathology found at the sonographic batwing sign. This is the view of the anterior chest looking at the pleural line. The ribs are the dark shadows going down, and the bright white shimmery line is the pleural line. You can see how this kind of looks like a bat, with the ribs as the wing points. Here's the lung point sign. It's very specific for pneumothorax, and it's that actual transition point of where the lung is sliding and not sliding. It's a little bit like pulling a curtain back. You can see again on the left that there's lung sliding, but on the right of that view, there's no sliding. Here's how you'd find the lung point. Say you didn't see sliding at the point of where that probe is at the top part of the chest. Slide the probe lateral and down to try to find the view where part of the lung is moving and the other part is not. These are B-lines. They shoot all the way down from the pleural line down to the bottom of the screen. Usually you need your depth to be about 15 centimeters to prove that these are really B-lines and going all the way down. They look like searchlights. You shouldn't really see a B-line in a pneumothorax, but you can see them in viral pneumonia, fluid overload, and lung contusion. These are Z-lines. They're actually a little less scary than B-lines, but they're just physiologic. You can see they don't go all the way down to the bottom of the screen, kind of how this pattern of blood splatter doesn't go all the way down to the bottom. Here is shred sign. This is the mark of an irregular pleural line with disruption. It usually looks more like a viral process when you see it clinically, but you can imagine that Freddy Krueger had his way with this lung line here with how it's shredded. Well, what's this? Well, there's an irregular pleural line, but also, what's that? A pneumonia. So this shows hypoechoic areas with some areas of hyperechoic within it. Jess Schmidt likes to call these lungworms. When you have dynamic air bronchograms, this is suggestive of pneumonia. You have a black area with black tubes and white stuff in them moving around as the person breathes. All right, that's all. Happy scanning this month.